higher order components. If you know the JavaScript, if you come across the higher order function, it means function accepts as a argument of another function and returns a new function. Here, similar way, the component you're passing into another component and returns another component. So this is called as a higher order component. The, the main role of the higher order component is component that accepts another component and do processing and update, modify, and returns another component. So it's like transforming into another form of components. So we'll look into the one coding example on this, and also how we can reuse the large here in this code. I'm going to take here one component which it's already been created here. So like a custom name tag here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take as this component, modify it, and pass into the same component into another component. So it means that the component is transformed into another component. So in the transformation, I'm going to change like a styling pattern or a color or styling pattern. I can do anything. For in this example, I'm going to show like changing the color of the style, whether how we are just customizing the which not to be used, which should not be used, the same component in another form. So let's look into that. I'm just creating a component to make it red. This is a base component. I'm using the props to understand, make it simple. And here, actually, I'm adding here to make a change. The style color, make it red. Creating a new props. Just here, I'm adding, returning the props. Just add right. So which is already be created above. I'm returning the base component. The new props. Here I'm going to show like how we are going to transform into another component. I created a in tag here. Make red. I'm going to pass the which is already existing one custom name tag, passing it. Now we have transformed this tag has transformed into new tag, making capital letter like that. I'm going to use it now. Just check. Okay, so the style is not added, so we're going to add the style now. Yeah, we are popped style here. Yes. Okay, now it's changed to red now. So what I did, like we just transformed this existing one into the new transformation. It's transformed successfully. Now I'm going to just adding this customize, like I don't want to use the style, some to making some more customizations, like so it should not use style. So we're going to do like the style should not be used, and this component, the styles cannot be used. So we'll check it how we are going to use it now. I'm creating another remove component. Here, that's the style I want to make, like no one should use, if you use this tag, no one should use the style as a style. With this component, the style cannot be applicable. So we're going to check it now because we are trying to removing the style here. Props. I'm using delete. Uh, should be new. Yeah, so should return this and style. So we deleted the style and written in the base component. So now okay, we are transforming in this another, we created another constant and transforming into another new tag, remove component tag, remove name tag. Okay, or caps. So it means that if you use this tag, the style will be deleted. It means you are making this component, you should not use style. So let's see how it's going to affect our code now. Yep, see, no change. And so if you want to use the style here, color I'm just changing to yellow. No change here. So it